Hello Soundcheck members. This video is for my part ones. I'm going to go through Cesarie, Yonder Come Day, and The Earth is Our Mother to help you practice at home. So again, I'm going to start with Cesarie, and remember, we do it 2 times. The first time you're on the melody, everyone's on the melody. The second time you stay on the melody, and the part 2s go up to the higher part. So here is Cesarie with the actions. Can I get my note? Cesarie, Cesarie, nari nari naro parte. Cesarie, Cesarie, nari nari naro parte. Roparte me lo se llama te Cesarie. Roparte me lo se llama te Cesarie. Cesarie, Cesarie, nari nari naro parte. Cesarie, Cesarie, nari nari naro parte. Roparte me lo se llama te Cesarie. Roparte me lo se llama te Cesarie. A couple things to remember with Cesarie when you're practicing. Your head needs to face forward the entire time so that we can hear your voice, and those arms, really make sure that they're straight when they're up here. Also watch out for your stomps. There's almost a stomp on every single beat, so really make sure those are nice and strong and that you're doing all of them. The other part is that you guys on part 1 are the melody the whole time in Cesarie, so you are the most important part, which means I need really strong singing on that melody. Even though you do the same thing 2 times, I need that to be the strongest. Alright, next is Yonder Come Day, and remember the first time we all sing the melody, and then the second and third time you guys go up to the higher sunrise part. So remember at the